But ants will work with other bugs that do eat plants. So sometimes ants are a bad sign.
So the Campus Rainworks Challenge is a competition put on by the EPA every year. It's a nationwide competition among colleges and universities. And the task is essentially to create a plan for stormwater management at either a university, college, or a local school. So we pulled together a team of 12 different students from across Penn, and we came together to work with Hamilton Elementary School in West Philadelphia. We had done a remote sensing and GIS analysis of the site that showed that the school is in a food desert, a high heat area, a combined sewer overflow area, and just face a host of environmental injustices. So we wanted to partner with them to create a vision that they could hopefully bring to life.
We want to make sure that we're giving them something that they can engage in and learn how to not only be a part of, but be a solution to a problem that's in their community. And we think that the project-based learning will allow them to do that. It gives them access to things that they probably wouldn't have seen in a traditional public school setting. And that's what we're looking to create here at Andrew Hamilton.
There's a lot of curricular connections that can be made to gardening. So obviously science and the science of plants and animals is really accessible through this kind of program. But almost every curricular subject actually can find use in a garden space. Even one much smaller than this.
Apple plant, sweet potatoes, so I don't want to put anything there right now. Yeah.
The design incorporates a rain garden, which is just a sunken garden that manages stormwater, 30 raised beds for urban agriculture, a perimeter food forest that incorporates fruit trees, herbs, fruiting shrubs, edible ground cover, mural, and lots of interpretive signage to help the students engage with the interventions. We're also working with the Netter Center to incorporate the design into the school's curriculum. My favorite part has just been watching it go from a simple concept for a competition to an actual, real, tangible community resource that the students and the surrounding community love. It's amazing to watch.
Get everyone to get gloves.
A big part of my role is to build educational programming into the space, figure out how the school can use it, integrate it into their curriculum. And mainly so far, that's looked like an after-school program where we have what's called Garden Club. So students in various grades ranging from first grade up to 8th grade get to come out to the garden and learn how to grow plants and to participate in all parts of the growing process from seed to harvest. And really everything that I do that's safe for them to do, I want them to be involved in so they can really feel ownership over the space.
And then just be careful because that plant's growing right there.
Through the Netter Center at University of Penn, they provide these access to our children to come here each day, and they learn about the history of West Philly through the gardening. They also learn about the life cycle of plants, the life cycle of butterflies and other insects, and how they are necessary and help and support the vegetables and fruits that we're growing in the garden. So the lessons are limitless, and we look forward to increasing and growing in that capacity in the future.